everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix fingerprint sensor is not responding on Android. So first of all, make sure your fingers are clean and dry. Also make sure to clean the sensor with a soft cloth. If this does not solve your problem, it might be the problem of your device. So in that case, you can try restarting your device. Simply long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches, so your problem might be solved. But if your problem is not solved, you can check for the software updates. So for that, what you have to do is go to settings. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. Find the option for software update and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If your version is up to date, that message will be shown over here. If your software needs the update, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your software will be updated and your problem can be solved. But if this does not solve your problem, what you can do is try re-registering your fingerprint. In that case, what you have to do is go back to the settings again. Now what you have to do is simply find the option for security and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the security interface. In the section for device security, you'll be able to find the option for face and fingerprint unlock. Simply tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Simply enter the PIN. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In the section for ways to unlock, you'll be able to find the option for fingerprint. Tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the fingerprint interface. Right now you can see over here one fingerprint is added. So what you can do is simply delete this fingerprint. Tap on the delete icon. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option delete. Now tap on the option add fingerprint. Now simply follow through the process and you'll be able to add the new fingerprint. Right now I'm not going to do it. Now after you re-register your fingerprint, your problem will definitely be solved. So that is how you fix fingerprint sensor is not responding on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.